Hello story lovers, how are you all? I hope all are fine. So now I am with you with another story. So the story's title is Puss and the Parrot. So here's a story about the one cat. Her name is Puss and the parrot. So it is raining. Push, the cat is feeling hungry. There is no food. There are no rats. He looks here and there. He sees a parrot sitting on a tree. He requests the parrot. Then now Push, the cat, is requesting to the parrot. Puss said to the parrot, "Mr. Parrot, you sing well. Please sing a song for me." Then parrot said to the puss, and parrot feeling very happy. Yes, yes, la la la, dum de dum. Then puss said to the parrot, "I cannot hear you, Mr. Parrot. Please come near me." Then parrot thinks, and parrot said to the puss, "No, no, Mr. Puss, you may eat me." Then puss said to parrot, "No, my dear, I am an old cat. I have no teeth. I cannot eat you." Then parrot said, "Then here I am. La 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 la, dum de de dum, ta la la la." Then puss jumps on the parrot and holds him in his paws. Oh, parrot. Then puss said to the parrot, "Now I am going to eat you." Then parrot said to the puss, "You were a good cat. If you want to eat me, you must wash your hands first and wash your face too. That is what all good cats do." Then Puss was thinking, and then after Puss said to the parrot that, "Just see how fast I wash my face and hands. You stand here and see." Then parrot said, "I am not going to wait for you to eat me up. Here I go. Bye bye, Puss." Now the story is over. I hope all of you love this story. In every situation, we have to use our mind. For watching, if you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to press bell icon so that you don't miss any update. Bye bye.